Hey everyone, David here, and in this video I want to show you guys how I make my own custom helicopter sounds using Traveler by Tonstorm. You'll notice in the video that I'm actually using the full version of Reactor that you need for the plugin that I'm using, but if you guys don't have it, don't worry. Stick around to the end. I'll show you guys a quick workaround that is equally as effective and can work just as well. So let's jump right in. All right, everyone, let's just jump right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to create a drone or a soundscape of some sort. So what I'm using here is a plugin called Drone E. It's created by this guy called Antonio Blanca, and it's really great for creating soundscapes and drones, and it's actually free. So I'll put a link in the description below, and it's where you guys can get it. So basically how it works is you click this edit button here, and it opens up this bottom panel where you can drag and drop audio files. And it kind of works like Native Instruments Contact. So if you guys have used that, it basically assigns one audio file per note on across the keyboard down here. So that's what I did. I dropped sounds from this magic pack that I created. I'll also put a link in the description for that if you guys are interested. And yeah, so basically that's what's across the keyboard. And I'll basically just press any key, and pretty much this is what came out. I didn't do too much tweaking. So a drone. Basically, what you're looking for this kind of helicopter sound is you want something that is more towards a noise. Like you don't want anything too pitched, like with a specific pitch. You want more noise. So that's what this is great for. And yeah, so let's move on to the next step. So that's step one, is using this. Step two, basically you want to open up Traveler plugin. And once you're in here, what I did is basically go into shapes. This is a kind of a preset, so I didn't do too much. Put the listener in the middle here. The red spot's the listener. And I put live input. Let's see what this sounds like. Not too much of a difference. I'm gonna shorten the duration just to make it go faster. You can hear there's already starting to be kind of a swooshing around from left to right. So that's good. And basically the next step that you want to do is basically activate the tremolo, which is right down here. And this is what's going to get you that helicopter blade sound. So let's go for it. And that's basically it. Like that already sounds pretty good. Obviously, it's not going to be like recording a real helicopter sound, but for most of us who can't, don't have access to a helicopter sound, this is pretty cool. This is pretty good. And obviously, you can add more things to this. You can add distortion down here with this plugin, which is cool. Delay, compression. What I like to do is, I'll use something like manipulator here, and I'll tweak it around. So what I did here is I dropped the format down a little bit, added some harmonics and FM, and this is what it sounds like. Here, I'll do it without, and then I'll add it in. So this is without, with. Okay. And now let's put it through Traveler to see what that sounds like. And guys, that is basically it. Alright guys, I hope you liked that tip. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you guys don't have the full version of Reactor, one of the workarounds that you can do or use to get a similar effect that works just as well is to use a noise oscillator or a noise file, pink noise, white noise, something like that. So if you have any synth basically that comes with your DAW, they'll usually have like a white noise oscillator or something like that. Use that and then run that through Traveler, and then you can use some of the same techniques that I show in the video. Pitch shift it. You can add filters and distortion, add different effects to it to kind of mess with the sound until you get something that you really like, and it works just as well. And I've gotten similar results. So for those who don't have the full version of Reactor, that's something you can do. So that's it for this one, guys. Sign up to my newsletter if you guys haven't already. On there I share all the advice and tips I have on running a sound design business and having a career in sound design and working from home with your sound design and working in video games. So sign up if you haven't already. Also, I'm offering, for those who sign up, I'm offering a sound pack to get you started in sound design. So it's a $50 sound pack. I have hundreds of sounds on there, monster sounds, UI sounds, magic sounds, a whole bunch of stuff. So I want to give that to you guys to help you guys get started in sound design. I'm also offering a free lesson for the first 100 people that sign up to my newsletter. So check it out. If it's still available, it'll say, and I'll send you guys an email about that. And if it's not, I'm sorry, guys. And that's it for this one. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.